Today you will learn when to use pero, sino, and sino que. Pero is the most common way to say but in Spanish. Pero is used after affirmative clauses. An affirmative clause is a positive statement, meaning no negative words are used. The first part of the example below, María es alta, is an affirmative clause or statement, so pero is used. Pero can also sometimes follow a negative clause. A negative clause is a negative statement with negative words such as no. Pero will follow a negative clause if there is no direct contrast from the information in the first part of the sentence. An example of a negative clause that contains pero is María no es alta, pero es inteligente. Intelligent and tall are not direct opposites, so pero is used. Sino means but rather in Spanish. It is also used after a negative clause. However, only when there is a direct contrast to the information in the first part of the sentence. An example is María no es alta, sino baja. Tall is the direct opposite of short, therefore sino is used. Sino que also means but rather in Spanish. Like sino, it is also used after a negative clause when there is a direct contrast to the information in the first part of the sentence, but a conjugated verb also follows it. An example is María no es alta, sino que es baja. There still is a negative clause and there still is a direct contrast, but in this case we also have a conjugated verb, es, therefore we are required to use que with sino.